know what? Shh. Okay, go.
Adam, what was that?
Fuck down.
Adam, get out of there. Right now, quick.
Not yet.
You have like 5 minutes. What the fuck did you do? Why'd you move all that shit? Adam, get out.
No.
Dude, Adam, why'd you bury yourself in there? This isn't your fucking Lego set you construct shit with all the time.
A very little time before you have to get out.
I don't give a shit.
Adam, the building's on fire.
That's not gonna work.
Dude, there's a random bear coming in and attacking people.
Adam is a muskrat.
Shit, get out.
Dude, the rabid fox is in here. You gotta move. Move, man.
He gave the middle finger. Serious matters. Come on. Adam, out.
Adam.
Out.
Adam.
Adam, I want you out of here right now.
You live on this door?
We're all going to Jerusalem. Come on, pack your bags.
I'm not here.
We're all here, man. We're all here.
Yeah, we're not here.
I'm here.
Get out.
Fuck it, I'm here.
We know you can do it.
Adam,
Get out.
get out.
Dude, on fire.
Adam.
You guys stop, drop, and roll.
Adam, you really shouldn't be in there.
Adam,
Adam.
you need to get out of there.
You shouldn't be in there, Adam.
Blackout around. Especially in this room.
Adam.
Don't be in this room.